Okay, here we go. Even though it's 20 degrees outside, we're going to try and do something with the dog. Can you tell he wants to do something? Okay, here we go. All right, he knows where to go. All right, be bye. All right. All right. Okay, hold on, buddy. Come over here and sit down. Come over here and sit down. Sit. Stay there, buddy. Stay. Okay, I gotta open the fence. All right, good boy. Good sit. All right? I need you to stay there. Shh. Nope. Stay. Good. Good stay. I know you're shivering because it's freezing out. Hold on. We'll be running soon. All right, we get the Batmobile here. You snuck away. Come here. Come over here and sit down. All right, good sits. Good. I know, I heard you. Did you hear him cry? All right, I know. You're all shivering. You're so excited. Okay. I know. I know. All right, we gotta move the GoPro. We're gonna try and move this to the side. All right, down. All right. Hopefully we get something there. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on here. All right. Look how good he is. All right, I hope that's good. My face is covered. Shh, no, that's no good. Easy. Okay, here you go, buddy. All right. All right, buddy. Okay, I know, you're very excited. You're very excited. Nails? Stop. Shh. You're twisting it all up. Okay, here we go. Are you done? All right, here we go. Through the fence. Through the fence. Hold up. All right. Whoa! Here we go. All right. Taking off. We're gonna make a left here, puppy. Make a left. Ooh. Go, puppy, go. That's it, puppy. Here we go. My goodness, you've been sitting inside for days. It is windy and it is cold. Okay, go. Go straight away here. All right. Approaching a busy street, we got slow. Slow down, buddy. Slow. Slow. All right, checking for cars. We got nothing. Going across. Okay. Another straightaway. Pushing against the wind. That's it. Pull me, Nails. Pull. That's it. All right, we're approaching the park and our first hill. That's right. A hill. Okay, here we go. Going up the sidewalk right now, and then down a hill. Up the hill, and down the hill. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Okay, over grass again. Cutting through the park, back up on the grass. Now I'm on a walkway. Follow this around in a circle. Pushing against the wind. Not doing too well. Staying on the walkway. Okay. Now we're getting back on the sidewalk on the other side of the park. And up a hill. Hill, wind, and cold. All three stink. Alright. Stay straight, stay straight. That's it. Alright, now we're gonna cut through the school. Pushing against the wind. Oh. That's it, buddy. Pull me. Alright, turn. Alright. And I really have to scratch my nose. Okay. On the grass. Stop looking around. How about you pull a little bit? I gotta do all the work. All right, here we go. Around the turn. Okay. All right, approaching the corner. Got a 90-degree turn here. We gotta slow down to a stop for this one. Slow. And turn. All right, now take off, buddy. This is your spot. Go, buddy, go. Go, Nels. Go, Nels. Go ahead, buddy. I'm staying with you. I'm staying with you. Can you see the shadow? How cool is that? How cool is that? Okay, we're going up on the grass. Okay. Now we're going up the hill. Almost ran over a squirrel. Okay. Oh, okay. This is a tough part, a double hill. Oh, okay. Over it. All right. Okay, we're up that hill. Back on the sidewalk. Okay. Okay, go down another hill. All right. Here we go. Oh. There you go. Beautiful. Back on the walkway. Look out, squirrel. Okay. Coming around. Okay, now we're heading home. Okay, we're gonna go out into the street. Pushing against the wind. Hanging a left. Okay. Last long straightaway before we head home. Okay? What do you say, buddy? What do you got left? Anything left in the tank? Come on, Nels. Come on, Nels. What do you got left? You want to stop? Huh? No? What are you, some sort of Spartan dog? Heads up, please. Thank you. Okay. Car was hitting. Okay, make a left. Home stretch. All right, here we go. We can't go on the sidewalk. There's a car on the sidewalk, which is actually mine. And turning in to the driveway, slowly. Okay, and into the yard. And stop. Okay. All right. Okay. Nels, leave it. Hey. Leave it. Leave it. Sit. 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 No. Sit. Good. Sit. Wait. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Good job.